So many people have one question, sir, my community is not enabled. The remaining YouTube channel community is enabled. What does it mean by community purpose? Community purpose mainly in 3 reasons: promote images, create poll, promote videos, multiple keywords. Any video promoted by multiple keywords. The community will be enabled when YouTube channel monetized by the proper earnings. When YouTube channel proper earnings. So first of all, we can promote any one videos. Select the custom URL. Now, I'm selecting for this video title first. Copy for YouTube the search. Same question. Go to playlist. You can promote the same video. I'll changing by title. How? Select it. So community will be supported by 3 options: images, videos, and polls. Select the video. Other YouTube channel video also you can post by YouTube. There will be some guideline will be exceed. So go here. Select it. Select here. Select your title. Now click for post. Is it clear? This title and this title will be different. This will advertise your particular video using multiple title. Select here, post. So this option. Transfer domain. One account to another account for free. Click for post. These are the options. Is it clear? This is a particular channel will advertise by particular videos using YouTube communities.